Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management skills, service counter selling skills, and occasionally life skills in under 60 seconds. Well, yeah, we try anyway. Don't compete. Look, the advice that I give a lot of businesses is collaborate, don't compete. And why I say that is that I've observed a lot of automotive repair shops in the industry that when they worked together, when they shared their best practices, when they said, hey, we don't like working on Mercedes, you guys do. Can we give you a Mercedes? Hey, yeah, why don't you take this Kia? When they shared the work, when they got busy and said, can you handle our overflow? When they were in each other's shops, offering advice, having conversations, sharing ideas, everybody in those organizations that were doing that grew. Whereas the shops that were lined up down the street and were competing with each other, nobody grew because it's a race to the bottom. What I liken it to is you'll see these gas stations, right? Trying to outdo each other with price. So instead of $3.39, I'm going to sell mine across the street for $3.35. Well, everybody goes over there, say 5 cents a gallon. Well, I'm going to drop mine to $3.30. And the next thing you know, I've seen gas stations that were going out of business because they raced each other to the bottom for their customers. And that's kind of what you do when you compete, is you dilute the pool. So think about that. Don't compete, collaborate. Everybody's going to be better for it, including your customers.